Police begins show of mains because of Lagos rally. Police begin show of false armed tension over Yoruba Nation Lagos rally. The police in Lagos State have embarked on a show of force to prove they are battle-ready for Yoruba agitators, Sunday Igboho and his cohorts. Tension is high in some parts of the state over the attack on the Ibadan home of Igboho by Nigerian force, as well as the planned Yoruba Nation rally on Saturday. Secessionist organizations have vowed to go ahead with the gathering despite the ban announced by the police. A body of self-determination Yoruba group and co-organizers, Ilana Omo Odua, IOO, had told Daily Post that the event will go on as scheduled. The venue, Gani Faweyimi Freedom Park in Ojota, has witnessed increased presence of security operatives. Daily Post findings show that a cross-section of residents on Southwest origin were speaking in favor of the rally and providing tactics support. They belong to the category of the Yoruba who believe that region can be an independent state and compete globally. But the federal government and Lagos Authority are opposed to the rally on the ground that it may trigger violence. Officials and the police says Lagos cannot afford to go through another round of the carnage that occurred during the NSAS protests that shocked Nigerians. On Friday, the police deployed hundreds of officers and assets, including motorcycles, heavy trucks, and armored personnel carrier vehicles. Public relations officers Muyiwa Adejobi said the demonstration was a warning signal to whoever or any group of persons planning to stage any procession or foment trouble in Lagos. On Thursday, Commissioner of Police Hakeem Odumosu warned that anyone caught participating in the Yoruba Nation rally will be prosecuted. In response to the latest developments, two Yoruba breakaway proponents stressed that people will come out on Saturday. You only live once. I will go to Ojota tomorrow and to add my voice to the calls for Nigerians to allow the Yoruba people live one of them, a trader said in local dialect. Okay, I think chaos is about to happen, but I hope it doesn't, because now even the Yorubas are ready to die for their cause. So I don't know where this whole drama is going to end. But as it is now, with the DSS participating in Igboho's attack in his hometown in Ibadan, has already paved way for the Yorubas to make trouble for them, because now they are saying that they won't allow the rally take place on Saturday, which is July 3rd, which Yorubas have already said that come rain or sunshine, that they will make sure that rally take place. So now as it is, no one knows what is going to happen, and we don't know what these DSS are planning to do with Igboho, because first they attacked his home and killed two of his people and kidnapped a female member of his family. So now we don't know what is going to happen to this rally. But Igboho's cohort said that come rain or sun, that the rally will take place. And those police officers that are so scared of this rally taking place, I don't know what their problem is, because according to what they said they are only going out for rally to agitate for the Yoruba nation. So why are they saying that they don't want war to break out? Did they say that they are going to fight, or did they say they are going there for war? No, they didn't say anything of such. They are only going out to rally for their Yoruba nation. So why are they taking this whole thing so personal to the extent that they are going on about preparing themselves for war? Are they really compelling these Yorubas to fight back, or what? Let's go to the comment section and hear what people have to say about this. Get the illiterate idiot arrested. We don't want a war in Southwest. Our leader has spoken that we are one nation and one Nigeria. If Igboho calls war, he will run to abroad where he kept his two wives and children. Do I have anywhere to run to? People here are so scared. Someone here is lamenting, saying they will not allow such a thing to take place. That if they should find anyone roaming about at the Ojota venue, at the venue where they want to where the rally wants to take place, that they should arrest all of them. That Sunday Igboho is only trying to create problem in Lagos. Why so many people disagree here, alias what was Sunday Igboho still doing with Nigerian passport found in his house by all operatives of DSS? No responsible government will tolerate any nuisance agitation in a state that was badly destroyed by NSAS massacres. A lot of people are here. No retreat, no surrender. Oduduwa nation now, no going back. God will destroy all of you one after the other. You stupid looters and oppressors. Why can't DSS use this kind of their useless power to end Boko Haram and Fulani herdsmen that are killing innocent Nigerians? Exactly. Get these illiterate idiots arrested. The person who said that people are blasting him here. Una leave killers for bush, come dey find where get gun for house. I thought this useless administration said we should defend ourselves. Buhari is a mind-loosed person. He will say something else today and say something else tomorrow. So no one should follow what Buhari is saying. Buhari will say today is Saturday. In the next minute, he will say, I forgot, today is not Saturday, today is Sunday. So it's better you be aware of what you follow, because Buhari is a crazy man. People do say it, according to people that are with him there. Some are saying Buhari is deaf, while some are saying he's blind. But to me, I think that man is crazy, simply because some people want to have peaceful protest. The government of the day can delay battalions of security personnel to Lagos, stop the rally despite the fact that other serious situations begging for the police intervention are suffering with unbattled killings. Exactly. People are busy dying in North. Some are being oppressed. Yet, the governments are doing nothing about it. Instead, they are going about looking for innocent citizens to oppress with their powers. Like in the north, if you go to Kano State, there are people, so-called people there, who call themselves Isba, okay? They go about threatening innocent citizens, maltreating them, and using them as slaves and rags, yet the government are doing nothing about it. They are here. Go to Kaduna, where bandits are kidnapping innocent citizens every day, killing, molesting innocent people, yet the government are doing nothing about it. Instead, they are after Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu. Okay, fine. Now they went to attack Sunday Igboho. That's not enough for them. They still want to go after Sunday Igboho. So what is their problem? After getting Nnamdi Kanu, what else do they want? Won't they let all these citizens rest in peace? Okay, now, instead of them to go to the north where Gumi is and arrest him wherever he is. Gumi hasn't been declared wanted because he advocates for terrorists and a major sponsor